But we begin tonight with breaking news out of Washington as President Donald Trump fires the Department of Homeland Security official who rejected the president's claims of widespread voter fraud. Good Tuesday evening, everyone. Thanks for joining us. I'm Chris Pizzano.
And I'm Jordan Jagelinzer. The president announcing the firing of Chris Krebs on Twitter this evening. Krebs was the director of the Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Agency. He was recently quoted as saying that there isn't any evidence that any voting system deleted or lost votes, changed votes, or was in any way compromised.
Also breaking tonight, Baystate Medical Center says they're experiencing a COVID-19 outbreak impacting their staff and some patients.
Western Mass News reporter Lindsay Kane is live in Springfield with more. Lindsay?
Chris and Jordan, so far there are 16 employees and 4 patients tied to this outbreak. This while the city of Springfield reported the highest COVID-19 case numbers to date.
Another COVID-19 outbreak has been reported at Baystate Medical Center, the second largest outbreak since the pandemic began. On Tuesday, Baystate officials tell Western Mass News 16 employees and 4 patients have been diagnosed with COVID-19. Back in July, the medical center reported a similar outbreak infecting 23 employees and 13 patients with the virus. In a statement sent to Western Mass News, the president and CEO of Baystate, Dr. Mark Kerouac, says in part, "We are conducting contact tracing and testing for employees from the unit in question, and we also are reaching out to all patients who received care on the unit between November 6th through the 16th to provide testing." Kerouac goes on to say the prevalence of the virus in our communities is high, and we continue to be on our guard to prevent transmission in our clinical environments and recognize the importance of continued vigilance and commitment to each other's health and safety. It's still unclear what unit in the hospital is impacted. This outbreak comes as the city of Springfield is seeing a sharp increase in COVID-19 cases, reporting 646 cases in 1 week, sparking concern from officials in the city's weekly coronavirus briefing on Monday.
We are a house on fire and we are burning quickly, and we will be ashes soon unless we get relief. That relief becomes from our behavior. That relief becomes from our ability to test, trace, and contact individuals.
The city is rolling out a new initiative to help stop the spread, putting signs on buses and in neighborhoods to remind people to do their part to contain the virus. Live in Springfield, Lindsay Kane, Western Mass News.